Hi everyone, in this video, I'd like to introduce logical operators. Logical operators are often used in conditional statements. For example, if we want to design a code to check a nan, we could write pseudocode like this: if nan equal to ran, and then do something here. Okay, this conditional statement means that if the nan is equal to ran, the condition will be true. If we also need to consider age, we could write it like this: age equal to 18. Here, the double ampersands are a logical operator representing AND. This means both statements must be true for the condition to be true. Okay, if I replace the double ampersands with double vertical line, it represents OR. This means that if either statement is true, the condition will be true. Finally, there's the exclamation mark, which represents NOT. It reverses the true value, turning true into false or false into true. You can also think of it as flipping 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, since Boolean values can be represented by 1 or 0. For example, if both statements are true and I enclose them in parentheses and with an exclamation mark in front, the final result will change from true to false. Okay, let's summarize the logical operators. We have double ampersands represents AND, and we also have double vertical line represent OR, and exclamation mark represents NOT. Okay, in subsequent tutorials, we will dive deeper into conditional statements syntax, and we will practice using this, which will make them easier to remember. Alright, see you in the next video.